In front of me is Sony Xperia 10.4, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first locate settings, then find and select system and click on date and time. And here you can smoothly switch off automatic date and time and then set it up manually. So pick the month, the year, also time. Like everything can be set manually. It's up to you what date and time it currently is. And also you can manage your time zone the same way. Just switch off the automatic one and then pick a region and then time zone if available over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.